app in specific emulator. Let me go on the demo using Android Studio. So I have one small test application. I have created the two phones, Nexus and Pixel XL. So first I will launch in the Nexus phone, and then you can launch in the Pixel phone. Okay, I click this run application Android Studio. So this phone is launched in the Nexus phone, right now. So the settings is Nexus and it's launched here. So if you want to go back to the Pixel phone, go to Android Studio, select Pixel phone and run it. Then it will launch. All the configuration is in the Pixel phone. So you can see the previous one was the black color, new one is the white color, for example, right? So this is how you can configure, you can launch the multiple your application into devices multiple devices. Next, uh, resize your emulator, right? How to resize your emulator, right? Let me go there, resizing emulator. Okay, let me go to Android Studio again. Maybe I will use the Nexus phone. Okay, I will launch it. So this is Nexus phone, this is Pixel phone. I will close the Pixel phone. I will use the Nexus phone for the following demos, right? How to resize. So now this is a bigger size. It is occupying entire screen. So you want to reduce, you mouse over that and reduce it. You can see that the size is getting reduced. So this is how you will be able to resize the uh, phone, resize your Android emulator screen. Next one, is adjust the volume. So now let me go back here. So you go the volume button. So if you click here, you will see the volume button is coming. Click here, you see volume button is increasing, or you can case that volume button is decreasing. This is how you can increase or decrease the volume in the emulator. Next one is zoom in, right? So okay, let me go to here the home screen, and let me open all the applications. So you want to zoom in any of the one, click on this, click this, click this, you're zooming in your clock, right? You want to go back, simply click this, you're going back. Other thing is, okay, you want to zoom the both drive and files, you can do like this, right? It is zoomed in actually, both drive and files. You want to go back, okay, go back, click on this. You want to zoom the entire screen row of the, okay, you can zoom in. So this is how you will be able to zoom in feature in Android emulator. Next one is change orientation. So if you see, click here, right? So right now the phone is displayed in the portrait orientation. So if you want to landscape, you will rotate left, you can click this, you can rotate one more time, one more time, one more time, or other side, other direction, other direction, other direction, other direction. So let me launch the browser. Okay, go back, let me go back to here, launch the Chrome browser. Okay, accept the continue, no thanks. So let me search something, like let me search for the test, right? Click test. When you change the landscape, you can see that the view of the browser is not changed. For that you pull down from top to bottom, bring down, and click on this auto rotation. Then now go back and rotate it. You will see this browser screen is also changing. So this is how you will be able to use the rotation feature in the emulator. Rotation feature. Next one is simulate two fingers. Simulate two fingers. Okay. How do you simulate two fingers? Go back, go back, go back, go back, Okay. Go back. Okay, so now let me go back and let me use the mouse map to use the two fingers, right? So to how do you use two finger? You will use the command button in from Mac or control button from the Windows. Let me, I am using the Mac, so I am using command, and if you click on this, so you will see that, right? So you will be able to zoom in, zoom out, rotate, right? So this is how you will use the to two fingers, right? So this is how you will be able to use two fingers, basically command and click, and zoom in, zoom out, right? You will be using the two finger like this. The next feature is simulate incoming phone calls. Simulate incoming phone calls, right? Simulate incoming phone calls. Okay, let me open this. Okay. Oh, okay. Click on this. It expands this. Okay, now click on the phone calls. Okay, call device, right? You will receive the call. You can accept, answer, and you can talk. Hold the call. Okay, it's hold. End go call is ended. Right, call is ended. So next one is send text message to the device. How to send the text message to the device? So this is the test message from emulator, from the emulator. So click the send message button. You will receive the message here. Okay, you received. Open or reply. Click reply. Okay. So you will be able to reply also, right? So next one is simulate network speed, voice and data status, right? So if I go here, pull down from the top in the phone, okay, and expand this, okay, so now you are seeing this T-Mobile. This is using T-Mobile. It's using mobile data edge browser, edge data DS3G coming here, the status home, wrong, and go back, you watch low. So these are the most useful features in the emulator for developer and testers. We will see uh, go reply down from the top in the or control button from the Windows. Let me, I am using the Mac, so I am using command finger like this. The next feature is simulate incoming message from emulator, from the emulator. So click the send message button. You will receive the message here. So if I go here, pull down from the top in the phone, okay. So if I go here, pull down from the top in the phone, okay, and it will ask for try saying something. I am talking, but it's not listening, right? So for that, you go back microphone, and turn on, and you click this is important. Virtual microphone uses host audio input. Click on that. Watch and it. Okay. Now, if you click this.